Range Rover Evoque 2020 P200 Subjective Dynamic Assessment. Not much effort is required to move the steering wheel. Very light. When benchmarked against the 328i, this is slightly lighter than the 328i. 328i felt a bit more stiff compared to this. This is much easier to move, very little effort. You can see here left acute, applying about 180 degrees steering input, very easy effort. It's worth noting that both 328i and the Range Rover Evoque have an electric steering system, that is an electric motor. Nice speed, auto gearbox, crispy smooth, rapid shifting. Although there's some delay between engaging the paddles and the gear actually executing the shift. Brilliant off-center steering there. You can really point the nose exactly where you want it to go and it will go. Really hides the weight very well. Two-liter turbo, 4-cylinder, screaming out with some nice acoustic harmonics. Very refined, sporty exhaust notes coming out there. Vehicle feels a bit underpowered on the straight due to the extra weight, but really holds well through the corner. Very stable through this left, gradual, holds its ground.
Test out the lift off oversteer through this corner. Lift and turn in. Okay, rear is very stable through the corner.
Overtaking this heavy goods vehicle, expecting some form of air turbulence and a bit of a vibrational shake through the sprung mass, but surprisingly not much, very grounded and stable. Air suspension is as smooth as it will get. Feels like you're gliding through the air. Really smooth. Suspension eats up the deceleration metric on the surface of the road. No discomfort through vibration transmitted through the unsprung or the sprung mass. Brakes have a great bite, good initial bite, and they feel really good and really help decelerate the vehicle when it's required. Small transient understeer is felt through that corner, but nothing major. You can hear some tire and air noise through the cabin at higher speed, but in general the windows do a pretty good job dampening out or isolating any external noise from the cabin. Transfer case allows for an early front axle acceleration, which really maximizes the exit speed or the exit acceleration. Applying a low frequency lateral oscillation here just to test the body roll. The body is very firm and very stiff, no movement on the body. Stabilizers are nice and rigid.
Takes a little bit of time for it to pick up speed.